Good evening, guys. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving if you do celebrate that where you are. I said that in the news video that I'm uploading right now. I'm back from my little mini vacation. We went to see my family, my parents, and my brother and his kids, and my cousins and their kids, and we honestly had a ton of people in one place. But had a great time, got to eat entirely too much food, and then KDE makes noise. That gets back to the idea of what I'm here to talk to you guys about today. I am still doing the KDE challenge. You guys submitted a load of challenges. I'm going to have to eventually put a little more thought into the entire process. I'm going to have to reply to a bunch of comments from you guys. The grand majority of the comments, and I'm going to facepalm a little bit here, say the next challenge should be use Windows for a week. Use Windows only for a week. And it's like, well, if I only use Windows for a week, we'll be using Windows Movie Maker to make the videos, and that will relatively suck. However, that would probably follow along the same lines as the way that I'm doing this challenge, in that my day-to-day stuff is done in KDE. You see, I'm still using it, actively using it, and not disliking it, but the video I'm doing on my Gnome system, I keep it running all the time, and just when I shot the video, I ported it over. It keeps everything going quickly. Because I'm only using Kdenlive, which is a KDE-based app, and Firefox to do the upload, it's cheating, but it's not entirely cheating. I mean, I'm still doing everything else on my laptop. So, yeah, and getting back to that, I started out with Arch Linux with KDE 451, 452, whatever, and the base. You know, just square one, nothing else on it, just KDE. And just the base, which has nothing on it, as I found out. Didn't even have Dolphin, the file browser. Didn't have Conqueror, the web browser. It just had KDE. Whereas, like, I think Arch's default Gnome comes with something, maybe not. Maybe I've just always done Gnome Extra. Anyway, so eventually I decided I'm just going to go ahead and do the full KDE install. And like I showed you 3 times now, I'm using it. It's running a lot better than I expected. If I click on the little menu and go through the different things, it's a whole lot smoother and faster than I've ever seen it. And I have to say, I'm not disappointed. Once I got several things up and running, I had to install the KDE Network Manager applet something, but I'm having a good time with it. I haven't been doing anything terribly complicated, nothing audio capture related or screencasting or anything yet. That's the next goal. I might try that tomorrow, actually. But for now, the KDE started out a little bit rough. Like I said, KDE base didn't have quite what I thought it should, but it's fast, and it's not lightweight, but it's lighter than I expected. I'm running probably 600 megs of RAM out of the box. If I start running other apps, it goes up, of course, but just KDE is about 600 megs, whereas the Gnome, significantly less, but still not tiny. The lowest I've ever seen Gnome run was about 100 megs of memory, and default uses about 180 to 300. It's just because I got a lot of stuff on mine. Anyway, I'm rambling. I'm going to get back to this. I'm uploading the video. It's got about a half hour left, and I'm going to play a little Minecraft on my laptop. It plays decently. It's Java, so it really doesn't matter. And I'm going to go to bed. So I hope you guys have a great night. I will talk to you later.